What's up, Shawty? Red Clay all day. Go Falcons. Man, fuck the Saints. We got fucking Asante Samuels and Julio Jones. Man, them ninjas ain't stopping us, Shawty. Nigga, check this out, Shawty. Fucking Samuels gonna be picking off Chase Daniels. Cause Drew Brees ain't gonna be there to throw that ball, Shawty. Drew Brees going to the Cowboys. Jerry Jones gonna get that ninja $25 million, Shawty. Saints ain't beating the Falcons this year, Shawty. We got that. This our year. We gonna win the division. Now I don't know if we gonna make it to the Super Bowl, Shawty, but we should probably be able to win the division. Especially since Drew Brees ain't got no contract. Hell yeah, go Falcons. But look here, Shawty, I'm finna get on the internet and see what's going on with Drew Brees' contract. Alright, I'll holler at you later. Go Falcons. Red Clay all day.